What's up, IBX runners? My name is Veronica. I'll be your coach today. Welcome to IBX Running. Today's workout, we are doing a 10-minute HIIT workout. So that's high intensity interval training. Now, don't underestimate the 10 minutes. We are here to work hard. We're going to be here to sweat. We're going to really crank up that heart rate, and we're going to keep it going. Keep fighting for 10 minutes. So yes, you can do this, and yes, you're going to fight through and feel so good by the end of it. So as always, let's get started with our warm-up. We're going to start with a brisk walk here, only 30 seconds before we get moving. So let's get that walk anywhere in that speed from a 2.5 to a 4.0. So let's get that started. All right, 30 seconds. You can look over here on my right-hand side. You'll see all the different intervals that we're doing, the speed, the time, everything. Over here on the left, you'll see the duration of the workout. So reminder, I am here to help you through those intervals, but if you need to look over, you can always see it there. So super quick, we're gonna get right into our warm-up jog here, anywhere from a 5.0 to 7.0. Now remember, we're warming up, so go a little bit on that lower end. All right, here we go. In 3, 2, 1, let's hit that jog. So a little bit more about what we're doing here. You have, let me check, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 intervals, all right? And you're gonna have a base pace where you're still jogging. So our recovery, we're not walking, we're not stopping, we're jogging, all right? And then you're gonna have your push pace. Now that's your high intensity. That's where I really want you to pick up the pace, do some work, hit that plus sign, and go for it, because those push paces, they're only 30 seconds. That's super, super fast in the running world, right? So don't be scared to really fight and push yourself. As you know, here at IBX, we always give you ranges for that speed. So the way I like to do it, if you're a little bit unsure, start on the slower end, start on that lower speed range, and then build up each time. But remember, we always want to be challenging ourselves. We always want to be pushing ourselves. So we're gonna start at that base pace here. You got a minute, so anywhere from a 5 to a 7, let's pick it up a little bit. 3, 2, 1, here we go. All right, so a little bit faster than what you were just doing in our warm-up, but still nothing crazy. This should feel comfortable for you. All right, so you should be able to talk as you're jogging here. All right, we're here for 1 minute. All right, deep breath in, slow exhale. Let's settle into that form, because when you pick up speed, the first thing to fall apart is your form. And we want to hold on to that form more than ever when we're going fast. All right. Excellent job, runners. Here we go. Under 30 seconds. Your first push pace coming up here, anywhere from a 7.5 to a 9.5. Let's see it. Deep breath in, slow exhale. You got 10 seconds here, runners. And then we're going for it. All in. Are you all in with me today? Let's see it in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pick it up. 7.5 to 9.5. Remember, it's only 30 seconds. I want you doing some work here. Deep breath in. So exhale. You can fight. This is a short workout. It's a quick workout, but it's going to be intense. And you, my friends, can handle it. 15 seconds to go. Come on. That's it. Stay up nice and tall. Settle into your running form. Hit that rhythm. Push into that treadmill. Back down to 5 to 7 in 3, 2, 1, take it down. Good. It's gonna feel like a jog now, right? That's good, nice and easy. Awesome, you're here for 1 minute. Now, during this workout today, what I want you to think about, if you, my friends, are over here, and your goals, or what you're striving to do, is over here, what's in the middle? Hard work, right? So this workout requires some hard work. You can't just go through the motions. I want you to actively be focused on what you're doing, and I want you to dig deep for it today. All right, you, goal, sprint. All right, you got 20 seconds here, and we're going into that second push pace. Remember that range? 7.5 to 9.5. Where were you last time? Can you go up? Where do you want to be by the end of this workout? Here we go, runners. 30 seconds. In 4, 3, 2, 1, pick it up. 30 seconds, let's go. You may start to notice, right, as we pick up speed, your heels kind of come off the ground. That's okay. What you're doing is having less ground contact time. So less amount of time that your foot is on the ground before it cycles around again. In order to do that, less of your foot needs to be on the ground. So you'll notice with me, my heels really come off the ground. Let's go. You got 3, 2, 1. Take it down. 5 to 7. There we go, runners. Oh, yes. Number 2 down. Let's go. Are you starting to breathe heavy now? Yes, that's good. Your body's warm now, right? Hard work, right? If we want to improve, if we want to get better, this is the feeling you need to have. That heart rate needs to be up. That chest needs to be on fire. You got it, runners. Deep breath in, slow exhale. We're going into number 3 here. Like I said, make this progressive. Can you go faster and faster with each interval? Deep breath in, slow exhale. You got 15 seconds before number 3. Let's go. You got this. Where were you on your speed last time in that range? Where do you want to be this time? I want you to get there. Let's see it, runners. You got 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit it. Take it on up. Good. Remember, the center of every movement that we do is our core. So I want you to contract that rib cage. Bring that belly button in. Make it nice and tight. Let it stabilize your body to allow the arms and the legs to move. 15 seconds. Let's see it. Come on. Last 10. Go for that speed. You can handle it. We got 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take it off. 5 to 7. Runners, I'm so proud of you. This is hard work, right? And look at you, handling it. You could do it. Good. We're here for that minute. You're halfway through. Deep breath in, slow exhale. If you need water, try to grab a quick sip right now. Be careful with that, right? We only want to take little sips right now because you're going to get right back into that run again. Here we go, IBEX. 30 more seconds. You got it. Deep breath in, slow exhale. Nice and easy. During this jog, catch your breath because we're going to pick it back on up. There we go. Are you ready? In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Take up that speed. 30 seconds right here. 30 seconds. Come on. Find that rhythm. You got to push harder into that treadmill, harder into the ground to propel your body forward, to handle that speed. You can do that. 10 seconds right here. It takes hard work. It takes commitment. You got to want it. Be all in with me. We got 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take it down. 5 to 7. There you go, IBEX. Guess what? I totally lied to you. We only have 5. So you got 1 more to go. All right, 1 more. And then that's it. You finished that 10-minute HIIT workout. This is high intensity. This is what it's about, right? We want to burn a lot of calories, bring up that heart rate, push that body, push that speed. And you're going to continue feeling those effects after this workout. That's what's so great about HIIT. It continues. It takes your body time to recover from this type of workout. And that's good. That is pushing your body. That's that hard work in the middle that we're trying to attain here. Here we go, runners. Are you ready for that last one? Let's bring it. 7.5 to 9.5. Where are you? Where do you want to be at the end of this run? You got 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Pick it up. Come on. 30 seconds. 30 seconds. Let's go. Deep breath in. Come on. Fight it here with me. You got it. 15 seconds. Push that plus sign. Can you pick up that speed? Go a little bit faster with me. Push it for 10 seconds. Push it again. Come on. A little bit quicker. High intensity. Are you there yet? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take it on down. 5 to 6. 5 to 6 here. Recover. 30 seconds. Runners, you did it. You did it quick, right? I know it's quick and it's intense, right? But because it's so short, you can fight through that. No matter how tired you are, you fought through it and you did it. You got 10 more seconds here. We're going to take it down to that walk. Here we go. Anywhere from 2 to 4 in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take it on down. Awesome job, IBEX. That's what HIIT workouts feel like, right? Really hitting that speed, really cranking it up, really pushing that body to go a little bit faster and a little bit harder. And your recovery was super active, right? We didn't stop moving. We didn't walk. We kept running, right? That takes a lot of strength. That takes a lot of determination and commitment to those goals. And that's what I want to see from you guys. Awesome job today. Thank you so much for coming and running with us here at IBEX Running. I'll see you next time. 3, 2, 1, shut it on off.
I just don't want this moment to end.